Hello everyone! So I am back filming a normal sort of video today. My family are still over from Australia, so I might have children walking in my room and interrupting me as I film this, so I do apologise. But anyway, today's video is going to be another shoe unboxing slash kind of review thing. I did these before on the Converse 1 stars and you guys really seem to like that video, and I don't know, I just find them really fun to do kind of shoe unboxes and reviews on especially more pricier investment pairs of shoes, so that you kind of know my opinion and thoughts before you buy it, because why would you buy it if something's crap? I'm one that personally likes to look up reviews and stuff on products before I buy it, so I hope you guys find this helpful. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a shoe unboxing on the beautiful and stunning on the Dr. Marten Molly Glitter platform boots. I know different places call it different things. I've got my phone here for information. I think they're listed as the Dr. Marten Black Lolita Molly Glitter boots, but then when I've looked up reviews and stuff on YouTube, they just call them like the Molly Glitter platforms and stuff, so it's whatever you want to call it, but pretty much the Molly Glitter platform boots. And these are boots that I've wanted for about a year now. When I saw that these were like made, I was like, definitely want these for this coming winter, because I just feel like I will wear the crap out of them in autumn, winter, and I love Dr. Martens. I've got other pairs of Dr. Martens, or I've had other pairs of Dr. Martens, and I just love them. Like, I find them really comfortable once you break them in, and they just look good with everything. So I really liked these because they're a bit edgier, but they're also kind of casual but funky. I don't know, I just feel like they're just me, like I just really vibe with these shoes. So anyway, without any more further ado, I'm going to show you guys the shoes, let you know my thoughts on the way they look, and etc, etc, and I'm going to also be trying them on so you guys can get a little look at what they look like on my feet. And obviously I've not worn them out and about yet, so I might update the description box down below as time goes on, just to let you guys know if they are comfortable, they are easy to break in, because I did read some comments of people saying that they're quite thick, so they were worried they're going to be hard to break in. And yeah, so it's kind of hit and miss with docs. I know they can be quite thick and hard to break, so I will update the description box down below, because obviously I've not worn them out yet, but I'll be letting you guys know my first impressions and thoughts on the way they feel on my feet now currently. So yes, let's get on to the video. So I've obviously, literally, they've just come in the mail now, and I've just opened the packaging. I ordered mine off of Shoe, which I don't know if I've really ever ordered off Shoe before. I know there's numerous places you can buy these boots, just so you guys know. You can obviously get them from official Dr. Marten shops. You can get them on ASOS. Hang on, I'll look on here. There was loads and loads of shops where you can get them. Yeah, you can get them off ASOS, you can get them off of Office, Soul Trader, Foot Asylum. There's just literally, you can get these shoes pretty much everywhere. Filming, go away. Say hi to the video.
Hi.
Ah!
Hi.
I told you guys I'd get interrupted by children. I feel like my camera went really weird colours then and out of focus. But yeah, I got mine off of Shoe, pretty much because I was quite lucky with these. They are a very pricey boot, as Dr. Martens are, but these are very pricey, and my mum is over and she wanted to treat me as a kind of early Christmas present. So these were ones I was literally going to wait till Christmas to get for myself, but she insisted on getting them. And she also ordered a pair of Dr. Martens off of Shoe, and I think once you order off there you get a discount code, so I think she got a 20% off code. So she paid, I think, about 121 or 121 to 125, I think, for these boots, but the original price is £145, which is very expensive for a pair of boots. I know that, but Dr. Martens are expensive because they're all man-made and all that. But yeah, I've had Dr. Martens in the past. They last years, so I do personally think that it is worth it. In my opinion, like I would have bought these anyway with my own money, but she wanted to gift them to me because she knew that I really wanted them. So thank you, Mum, if you are watching this. Mwah, you are the best. But yeah, I just know I'm going to get so much wear out of them. So they are a bit more of a pricier shoe, but I do think looks wise they will go with everything, so I will wear the crap out of them. But also, having shopped around, there's no real other cheaper price. The set price for them is £145, so if you do look around for these and you can get them cheaper, then good on you. But I did have a look on other websites and they were all roughly the same price. So yes, a bit of information on these shoes. So it says, reach towering heights with our statement Dr. Marten style. These Lolita Glitter Molly boots are a drop for this new season. Black man-made profile features a glittering upper and an oversized eyelet, while a 4cm platform airway sole completes the boot. And yeah, so it's got a 4cm platform. I did do some research as well because I don't really, being cruelty free, I don't really want to wear leather shoes, but they are made with vegan leather. I will link the video down below where I did watch. There was another really good informative video. I will link her down below. I've never seen this channel before, and I can't remember what it's called off the top of my head, but the girl that did these reviews, I think she reviews loads of different shoes. She gave a lot more information on the fabric made, and I think she did say in the video that it is vegan leather made. So yeah, that is that. And I just personally loved the thick flat platform on it. I really love chunky boots right now. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna actually show you guys. So it comes in the traditional Dr. Marten boot box, I mean, and they were all nicely wrapped in their compartments. Can you say that? I don't know, I can't really speak today. Wrapped up nicely. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys the beautiful boot. I hope you guys can see properly because obviously they are black, so it's going to be quite hard to see, but this is what they look like. They are stunning, freaking stunning. Like, I don't even know what I was expecting, but having seen pictures online to having them in reality, they're even more beautiful than I thought. So as you can see, they've got a really thick chunky platform bottom to them, and these like look like they're going to be so grippy and so nice to walk in. And then obviously around them it is completely coated in black glitter, and from reading reviews they are definitely a thicker fabric, but as you can see they're not as thick as some of the leather Dr. Martens. I feel like they will probably hurt the first few times, but from feeling them and having other docs myself, I feel like they might break in after a few times wearing them. They don't feel overly thick, if that makes sense. Although they are thick. I don't know if that makes sense, but the fabric's like quite bendable, I guess. And they come with, what I loved as well, they come with these beautiful ribbon tie laces, which I think are so funky and so pretty. But also, which is really nice, I didn't know they came with these, they also provide you with the normal black they also provide you with the normal kind of black tie shoelaces, so you can always change them up as well if you don't really like the look of the ribbons. But personally, I think the ribbons also add to like the statement of this shoe. And another thing I found really awesome was, I was a bit worried, anything being glitter, you just kind of get paranoid that stuff's gonna come off of it, but literally rubbing the crap out of these, no glitter comes off of these shoes, like none. It's all, I don't know what they use to stick this glitter down, but it does not come off, literally. I think I've got maybe one speck of glitter on my finger, but other than that, it doesn't. I was a bit worried that they were going to shed glitter everywhere. So that is really, really good. And they obviously are rough to touch, like they're not like coated in any plastic seal or anything, but they're not super rough, if that makes sense. So they're not uncomfortable to like smooth your hand over, and I'm just really glad that the glitter doesn't shed off. Obviously I have the normal as well, Dr. Marten Airway tongue on them, and I've still got loads of cardboard and stuff in this shoe, but I will see what they feel like inside. So the inside actually is quite padded. On the tongue and in a bit of the shoe, which feels like that's going to be quite comfortable. And then the bottom sole has like a nice grip lining to the bottom. It's really good, so I feel like they're really well made from first look of them. And yeah, I need to take all of this crap off of them. There we go, I don't have any more stuff hanging off of them now, so you can get a proper look. But they are so pretty and so nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try on the boots, have a little walk around and see how comfortable they feel like, and come back to you then and let you know my thoughts. Okay, so please excuse my messy floor, you guys. I have not hoovered the past few days, so I have guinea pig sawdust everywhere, so I'm really sorry about that. But these are what they look like on. I hope you guys get a good view. It is late afternoon right now, so the lighting in here isn't the best, to be honest, but from first wearing them I find they're super spacious on the inside of the shoe. Like my foot has so much room. I got my usual UK size 6 size, and I'd say they're definitely really good sizing. Obviously I've put them on right now without socks. I should have probably worn socks, but with socks you can tell like my feet aren't going to be really sweaty in them. They've got like a lot of room and comfort in them. They got really nice bouncy soles, and the platform is really comfortable to walk on. And from wearing them, like I said, I'm not wearing socks. My ankles aren't even really rubbing on the back. So I think, to be honest, breaking them in isn't really going to be an issue because the actual back of them seems pretty soft. So really loving the look. I hope you guys can see well. Yeah, I hope you guys can see well as to what they look like on, but they are really comfortable right now, and I just love the look of them. They're super gothy, super edgy. Only thing that was like not a bad thing at all, but I noticed that the ribbons, when I was tying them up and adjusting them, they kind of skag a little bit and catch on the glitter base, because like I said, the glitter is quite rough. So I don't know how long that the ribbon will last, because obviously ribbon is like satin, so it does have a tendency to skag. So hopefully now they're kind of adjusted to fit my foot, I won't have an issue. But me just pulling and tying the laces, you could hear it like scratching and skagging a bit on the glitter, but that was my only complaint. But that's not even really a complaint, because at least they give you another pair of shoelaces to change up, and you can always just get another black ribbon to replace them if need be. So I hope you guys get a good view of these. I can't really tell by the lighting right now, but so far I'm so happy with them. They are so comfortable, honestly, and I'm not even just saying that. I'm really happy with how they look and how they feel on my feet. So yeah, I will sign off with you guys now, and we will wrap up this video. Okay, so I am back now from trying on these boots. I'm actually pleasantly surprised at how comfortable they were, and just they were just so comfortable, and they just look so good on. So for me, this is literally a 10 out of 10 boot. Obviously price tag isn't for everybody, but obviously I will update you guys and let you guys know on how they last and how they wear. But with my personal experience with Dr. Martens, they literally last so many years if you take good care of them, and I just think these are going to be absolutely great in these autumn winter months, because just Dr. Martens look cute with everything. You can wear them with shorts, you can wear them with dresses, you can wear them with jeans, leggings, anything, and they just look so cool. So this is definitely taking me to my edgy gothy kind of vibes. I really love these. So yeah, that's all I have to say for this review. I hope you guys found it helpful. Like I said, it's personal opinion. You guys might have these shoes and hate them, but if you do own these or own the Molly platforms, then do let me know in the comments down below your opinions on them and stuff, because obviously I'm new to getting these, so I would also love to hear your guys' opinion on the boots and what you think of them. But I will link down below shoe where I purchased them, so if you want to have a look at the description for them and where I purchased them, I will link that down below, and along with the review video that I watched on these before purchasing them that I found really helpful. So hopefully you find my video just as helpful as I found hers. Just to give like a shout out and some love to other YouTubers that kind of help inspire and influence and stuff like that. I just feel like there's nothing wrong with listing other people's content that you find helpful and inspiring. So I will list hers down below so you can check that out as well for further information other than my video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I cannot wait to rock these boots. They are so cool. And yeah, make sure if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this and you want to see more from me. I would love for you guys to stay here and join my little family on YouTube. And yeah, that's all I have to say for now. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a fantastic day.